I'm from Arkansas, family, and growing up, how I made my school clothes money, we used to jump in the back of the truck and hit the cotton fields and chop cotton. And as you know, we shouldn't been doing that stuff at that time, and I'm just 42 years old. But that's how I end up making money. So I've always been familiar to the struggle, always been okay with work ethics. And then I got involved into the streets and I started seeing money come in faster from selling drugs. So I started selling drugs and I figured out the way to eat because it was all about making money. And then from there, I figured out, hey, I can get this money faster if I take it. So I started robbing and started taking. But I was still selling drugs, still confused, still just trying to find my way. But once I went to prison, fam, I woke up and I realized that the stuff that I was doing was damaging not only me, but it was damaging my people. So once I got out, I didn't start selling drugs no more, family. I ended up adopting a welding trade while I was incarcerated. And while I was in there, I utilized all my time to my best ability, family. I had 10 years to do. So I got my GED, I went to VOTEC, I went to College for Small Business Management. I did all of this to educate myself. I took AA, NA, thinking era, parenting, you name it. I was in it because I was trying to change the way I was thinking. So once I got out, I could actually have a better playing field for myself. And I did, so to speak. I got out and got a job. And so I feel like we have to evolve from there because I realized as having a job, I had to get some information, but it was only my transformation to go into the other position, which is being independent. Then you go from being independent and realize that it's just like having a job. You might make a little bit more money, but if something happened to you, your money stops. And then you figure it out. You turn into a butterfly and you start a business. You started educating, and that's why I created Hog On University, because I know I like to give. And the information I'm giving now, it isn't hurting anyone. And the products I'm building now is embellishing people. It's not hurting anyone. And so once you grow and you started knowing better, you start doing better, family. And that's why I'm going from Hog On Welding to Hog On University. Y'all be blessed.